Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You open Teams and sign in, then click your avatar in the top right. This immediately exposes account controls you need. Choose Manage Account or Edit Profile to start. Doing this first ensures you're changing the correct account and that permissions are loaded. If you're on the web versus desktop, the label may vary, but the avatar location is the same. Once done, you'll see either a camera icon or Upload Picture button. That's the first actionable control to change your image. Click Upload Picture or the camera icon, then pick a local file such as a JPG or PNG. You'll get a cropping UI, drag and zoom to center your face inside the circle because Teams displays a circular avatar. Make adjustments until the preview looks good. This affects how others see you in chats and meetings. After cropping, click Save or Apply and stay on the page until you see the confirmation. This ensures the image finishes uploading and prevents partial or blank avatars. After saving, verify your new picture shows in a chat or meeting roster. If it doesn't update immediately, sign out and sign back in to force refresh, or wait a few minutes for propagation. If you're on an admin-managed account, uploads may be blocked. Contact IT to change or allow images. As a last step, clear Teams cache or open the web app in a private window to rule out cached data causing display issues. That usually fixes stalled uploads and missing avatars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.